So we start with a salad.
Since when? Speaking of thin crust, you've ordered a pizza.
Straight from Staten Island. In the Corleone house, यही pizza मिलता है.
What is apparently the star dish on this table?
No, not the star dish. It's the हुकुम का इक्का. तो basically अब तक जो भी तूने order किया है अच्छा नहीं लगा है.
Bullshit, Kakra was outstanding. Now, because Mohit wants to prove that the soya chap is so good, the meat eater is going to start with the salad and say, oh, क्या soya chap है, wow.
तो बॉम्बे में नाइट लाइफ हो गया, पुणे में नाइट लाइफ हो गया और हमने ये सुना है कि गुजरात की नाइट लाइफ भी काफी एक्साइटिंग है. सो वी आर इन सूरत टू कवर फूड आफ्टर 12 AM जो हम नॉर्मली करते हैं.
So this is our episode on Surat at midnight. But to make this night more thrilling, हमारे प्रोड्यूसर ने हमको बजट दिया हुआ है. I have 1000 रोकड़ा and
So do I.
he has 1000, and we have to find our own fun and food in 1000 रुपया, our own separate ways.
Let's go.
But guess what? I don't need dollar bills to have fun tonight.
तो यहाँ पे डेंस पिज्जा है जो मुझे अच्छा लग रहा है. यजमान पंजाबी चाइनीज डोसा पाव भाजी सिजलर पिज्जा सैंडविच. So we shall come back here.
So 1000 रुपए में I'm sure Mohit is going to fill the table with pizza and sizzlers and whatnot. So I'm going to go the other route, Chinese.
डेंस पिज्जा में ईट ट्रीट और एंजॉय करेंगे.
So Seven Kings fast food में Chinese के अलावा और भी कुछ चीजें हैं. There's burgers, there's खाखरा.
Godfather.
That's our most selling pizza over here.
Godfather is the most selling pizza over here and it's 8 inches is $260. So I'm well under my budget.
ये मुझे ट्राई करना है since we are in Surat. तंदूरी पनीर स्टाइल इन खाखरा. तंदूरी पनीर इन खाखरा is 90 rupees.
Sizzler. Veg, exotic, Chinatown sizzler, Szechuan sizzler, Kobe sizzler.
Mancha soup. American chopstick.
वेजिटेबल्स में चाहिए, चाइनीज में चाहिए या विद पनीर चाहिए?
मुझे तो स्टेक के साथ पसंद है बस.
स्टेक नहीं है यहाँ पे. It's a pure veg.
Okay, why not try the paneer 65? 230 rupees.
Kobe sizzler, it's got gravy, it's got rice, it's got stuffed capsicum, it's got fries. एक Godfather pizza और एक Kobe sizzler. And Kobe sizzler is for $420. 420.
Okay, there's Bombay bhel, Chinese bhel, paneer bhel, सिंगापुर भेल. एक सिंगापुर भेल ट्राई करेंगे बिकॉज मेरे ख्याल से सिंगापुर भेल सूरत में मिलती है, सिंगापुर में भी नहीं मिलती है. पंजाब दी हवेली स्टार्टर पंजाबी डिशेस दाल चावल.
ये चाप इंटरेस्टिंग लग रहा है. हरियाणा चाप, अफगानी सोया चाप, मसाला ड्राई, लेमन टैंगी सोया चाप. ये चिकन में नहीं मिलता.
नहीं, चिकन में नहीं मिलता है.
नहीं.
So I've ordered a whole lot of spicy fare. So I think we need a chilled milkshake, Anjeer milkshake. So Surat at midnight is very very happening as you
Yeah.
can see because there's a table full of happening and I'm contemplating कि अब शुरू कहाँ से करें.
I think खाकरा से करते हैं because it's become
It's lost
its खाक
So this is tandoor style paneer khakra.
and it's falling apart now. I can only taste cheese and some veggies. That's it.
Lots of veggies.
Hmm.
Suti khakra pizza. You cannot get a thinner crust than this. Speaking of thin crust, you've ordered a pizza.
Straight from Staten Island. In the Corleone house, यही pizza मिलता है because it's called the Godfather.
I remember eating it there. All right, Godfather pizza.
It's actually a good pizza.
Okay, I know you really like Godfather, but
No, it's not bad. Come on.
इतना भी bias होने की जरूरत नहीं है. The khakra is better than the pizza, to be honest.
No.
Yeah.
Olives, corn, cheese,
Really, you want to go by ingredients? Olive, cheese,
corn.
corn.
Also, why is this better than a khakra? Is because the base and the sauce is made in-house at Den's Pizza.
That just proves what a big liar he is. अभी उसने बोला था ये Saturn House से आया है. अभी बोल रहा है यहाँ बना.
Staten Island, Corleone House.
जो भी है तो झूठ बोला ना पकड़ा गया. Next. अभी वो सिंगापुर से आया है.
Let me finish the pizza. It's nice.
Moving on to another country in Surat.
Sujla. Moving on to Japan.
It's really come from Japan because इतना long distance आने के बाद उसका sizzle खत्म हो गया.
Okay.
क्या है इसमें?
कैप्सिकम है, stuffed कैप्सिकम है. जिसको उल्टा कर दिया है तो स्टफिंग उसकी. This is it's a aloo patty.
Okay, this is
Hey, not bad, yeah, not bad.
this
पहले
is
आलू
a
patty
tomato.
not bad at all. It's good.
It is good. Okay, इसमें क्या क्या है? और French fries है?
French fries and there's a layer of rice.
Yeah, it's on a bed of rice नीचे. And oh, there's a lot of gravy here. Gravy and veggies. I think I'm going to start here.
I have already started.
Oh, it's the same gravy जो यहाँ से extra दी हुई है.
अच्छा.
It's also here. Okay, I want to
And the rice is also nicely cooked.
lift this capsicum and
stuff it?
Stuff it back.
Good. Gracias. मक्का खा लिया.
इस तरह से सिज़लर हाथ से खाया जाता है.
And it's stuffed with paneer burji.
I must say the quantity is massive.
It's yeah.
How much did you pay for this?
$420.
420 में 420 नहीं बनाया.
4 people can easily eat. ये राइस खा के देख, बहुत सही है.
Oh wow.
हाँ?
गरम तवा पुलाव जैसा कुछ है.
या वही है.
तवा पुलाव. ऑन करें?
हाँ. In life you should always move on.
From Japan to Singapore in Surat.
Singapore bhel.
Singapore bhel.
Hakka noodle.
It's not Chinese bhel. If you thought it's called bhel, so it'll come like that. Chinese bhel is not like that.
But it's got healthy. I don't like this.
Moving on. Moving on, please.
तो बेसिकली अब तक जो भी तूने ऑर्डर किया है अच्छा नहीं लगा है.
Bullshit. Kakra was outstanding.
It was okay at best.
Outstanding.
Okay.
Outstanding. Paneer 65.
Paneer 65.
With the kadhi patta.
I'm
Okay, Devi.
हाँ हाँ मैं खिलाता हूँ.
Oh, I got the kadhi patta too.
It is not only about budget. You have to understand what to order. Fail Paneer 65. बोल अच्छा है. Please. Please. उससे कुछ नहीं होगा. अरे और डालना यार. Okay, this I kind of like because इसमें garlic और burnt garlic का अच्छा flavor है, and that is probably saving the dish. No, this is good. This is good.
Look, if you're getting this at midnight and it's hot and fresh, इतना भी critical नहीं होना चाहिए. Especially after eating this खाकरा तो होना ही नहीं चाहिए. और उस पिज्जा खाने के
Sure.
बाद तो कुछ बोलना ही नहीं चाहिए.
Sure.
American chopsy और
वो तो
Chop.
हुकुम का एक का लास्ट में.
इतना don't have high hopes. Okay, मैं पहले बोल रही हूँ कि I really don't like an American chopsy when there's no egg on top. और यहाँ ऑर्डर करते वक्त मैं भूल गई थी कि ये वेजिटेरियन जगह है. So it is going to be what it is. In the name of nostalgia, I shall eat American chopsy at midnight.
It just looks like a Szechuan soup.
Eh?
See?
It is not bad. I
Not
would
bad.
say
Not bad. Not bad.
the bancha soup and the American chopsy do much better than the Singapore rice.
For sure.
And the paneer 65.
Yes. जो सब प्राची ने ऑर्डर किया है.
देखो, open mind रखना चाहिए.
बहुत ओपन रखा है माइंड.
What is apparently the star dish on this table?
No, not the star dish. It's the हुकुम का एक का.
जिससे एक्सपेक्टेशंस इतने हाई हो गए कि अब इसको बहुत ही मतलब प्रेशर में परफॉर्म करना पड़ेगा.
So we start with the salad.
Since when? Now, because Mohit wants to prove that the soya chap is so good, the meat eater is going to start with the salad and say, "Oh, क्या soya chap है, वाह."
Lemon tangy. Alliteration. No, not alliteration.
I'm wondering if कौन सी एंगल से
Yeah,
आया
go figure out speech. Same menu.
टोटोलॉजी.
Tautology. Lemon tangy soya chop. Tautology.
मुझे पसंद आया सोया चाप.
Mic drop moment. कैसे करूँ?
Because I am not prejudiced. जब मुझे अच्छा लगता है मैं बोलती हूँ अच्छा है. ईगो पे नहीं लेती हूँ.
Please. Pizza very good. Sizzlers good. Soya chop very good.
कभी कभी सच बोल लेता है ये. Mancha soup good. American chopsy good.
Okay.
खाकरा very good.
Good at best. Paneer 65. Can
भूल
take a
जाओ
walk.
हमने कभी कभी गलती हो जाती है लाइफ में. It's fine. ये है अंजीर दूध.
Milkshake. जो कैपेचिनो के कप में है. Espresso भी है.
और जिसकी टेस्ट थोड़ी लस्सी जैसी है. हम लस्सी समझ के पी लेंगे.
हम कुछ नहीं समझ के पी सकते इसको. But again, जैसे if you have a midnight craving, so you must come here and order the soya chop and the pizza and the sizzler. On that note, let's rate.
Am I allowed to talk now?
Yeah.
आते रहिए, खाते रहिए और पूछते रहिए खाने में क्या है.
I said let's rate. So no, you start with the paneer pesat 65
पनीर 65 is
minus 6.5.
2.5 for attempt.
मैं तो ज्यादा देने वाला था, but ठीक है.
नहीं, 2.5 for attempt.
2.5. I would say 3.
Better luck next time.
Yeah. The Singapore bhel.
I would say it's a 5 on 10.
And if it didn't have haldi, it would have been better. But yeah, so 5.
Mancha soup.
Mancha soup is actually a 7 for me because the garlic and the fried garlic really saved the day, and this
Time pass noodles.
ghatia noodle.
Ghatia noodles. Right, is right.
So
Yeah.
7.
7.
American chopsy.
6.5. अंडा होता तो 7.5 होता.
नहीं, for me also 7. Because वो थोड़ा सा sweetness जो expect किया था वो था, so it was nice.
खाकरा.
खाकरा
खाकरा is 8 on 10. अगर हमने क्रिस्पी था तब
हाँ.
खाया होता तो एक्चुअली हमको अच्छा
तो
लगता.
अच्छा लगता तो
It was just like a delayed gratification.
हाँ, so yeah, 8 on 10. Sizzler.
नाम कोबे रखने से क्या हो जाता है? 6 on
It
10.
was a good dish. It is 7.5. The Godfather pizza
God forbid pizza.
8 on 10 again. Because I did not expect it to be so good. मेरे को लगा चीज का एकदम ऐसा ओवरलोड होगा.
7 on 10.
Now the star.
This was actually, I
This is
liked it.
actually a 9 on 10 for me.
Yeah, this is an 8 on 10.
Yeah, because again, did not expect soya chaps to be so good. On that note, if you like the episode, like, comment, share, subscribe, or suggest more places, more midnight places to eat in your city. और आते रहिए, खाते रहिए और पूछते रहिए कि खाने में क्या है.
मैं भी हूँ इस शो में.
तू बोल.
सब कुछ बोल दिया.
In the Corleone house यही पिज्जा मिलता है. Because it's called the Godfather.
I remember eating it.
What Corleone are you?
What? Hello, contextualize please.
Have you seen the Godfather?
दिखानी पड़ती
नहीं.
तो उस दिन विदाई तेरी हुई थी Godfather में.
अच्छा ठीक है.
मेरे को पूरा fork I meant.
Oh, you said fork.
You want to
said
douse it
needle.
on this?
Maybe not.
तो fork दे फिर.
Here's your plate.
Fork दे दे.
पहले प्लेट आ गई ना हाथ में. चलो भाई.
But ठीक है ना. अभी यहाँ पे तो after
So you
drinking
must
नहीं आ
come
सकते.
here.
I was saying something.
I was supporting what you're saying, but say, okay, fine, I'll zip it. It's past midnight. This is who I am.
तो यहाँ पे आफ्टर ड्रिंकिंग तो आप आ नहीं सकते लीगली. बट देन अगेन मिडनाइट
यहाँ पे-
क्रेविंग्स अगर हो रही. अरे यार इसको लेके जाओ.
आप आ ही नहीं सकते हो ना ड्रिंक करके यहाँ. मतलब midnight क्या any night, any time of the night.
मेरे को बोलने
Okay, fine.
देंगे तो
I'm
it might
zipping
make
now.
sense.
Okay, बोल.